Massive Blackhead Extraction Deep Pore Detox Facial, Satisfying Skincare. Today we are performing a massive blackhead extraction treatment combined with a deep pore detox facial. Blackheads can accumulate over time and become difficult to remove without proper skincare treatment. When pores remain clogged for too long, they can make the skin appear rough and unhealthy. This treatment focuses on removing these stubborn blackheads and restoring the skin's natural clarity. Understanding blackheads. Blackheads form when oil and dead skin cells clog the pores. When the pore stays open, the trapped material oxidizes and turns dark. Unlike whiteheads, blackheads are exposed to air, which is why they appear black on the skin. These are most common on the nose, forehead, and chin. Deep Pore Detox Facial. The Deep Pore Detox Facial starts with cleansing the skin thoroughly. This removes surface impurities and prepares the skin for deeper treatment. Steam is then applied to soften the pores and loosen the debris trapped inside them. This step is essential because it makes extraction easier and safer. Extraction process. Using professional extraction tools, the esthetician carefully removes the blackheads from the pores. Each extraction is performed slowly to ensure the skin remains healthy and undamaged. Watching the blackheads being removed can be extremely satisfying, especially when large clogged pores are cleared. Skin recovery. After the extraction, calming and hydrating products are applied to soothe the skin. These products help reduce redness and support the skin's natural healing process. Proper aftercare ensures that the pores remain clean and healthy. Final transformation. By the end of the treatment, the pores appear cleaner and the skin looks smoother. Deep pore detox facials can significantly improve the appearance of the skin when performed regularly.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.